It's wild to think about, right? Ever wonder how everyday creators are literally turning their daily scrolling habits into serious, life-changing income? Well, welcome to today's Explainer, where we are diving headfirst into the exact Instagram monetization blueprint. We're going to break down the nuts and bolts of how your digital real estate can actually become a totally legitimate, highly effective revenue stream. So, let's just get right into it. Part 1. Instagram earnings potential. Let's take a quick look at the actual monthly income you could be generating here. Okay, let's dive into this. 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees a month? If I told you it was totally possible to pull in that kind of consistent cash on an app you're probably already using every single day, would you believe it? Because this isn't just some random pie-in-the-sky estimate. It's the real monthly potential outlined right in our source material. And that massive gap from 10,000 all the way up to 100,000 rupees, that's the real kicker. It proves that, sure, there's a super accessible starting point, but the room for scalable growth is just massive. So that's our financial target. Let's figure out exactly how to hit it. Moving right along to Section 2, Brands and Affiliate Marketing. These are essentially the foundational pillars of your earning channels. And this brilliantly illustrates the complete 4-step blueprint we're going to explore to make this whole thing happen. We're talking brand promotion, affiliate marketing, digital products, and traffic diversion. Because listen, monetization isn't just one magic trick. It's an entire diversified ecosystem. Think of these 4 steps as the actual engine powering your whole strategy. Let's unpack that first pillar, shall we? All right, pillar number 1, brand promotion. Now, this method relies on one very specific kind of transaction. Companies will literally pay you to talk about their products. But, and this is a big but, there's a crucial prerequisite here. You absolutely must have a good follower base and really high engagement. Your audience is your biggest asset here. Brands, they aren't just paying for a quick post on your feed. No, they're paying for access to the trust you've built up with your followers. Basically, your engagement rate, that's your new digital currency. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it breaks down Pillar 2, affiliate marketing. Unlike brand promotion, where you might just get a flat fee for reaching people, affiliate marketing is 100% performance-based. The mechanics are simple but so incredibly powerful. You share a specific product link, and you only earn a commission when someone actually makes a purchase through that exact link. So you basically become this digital bridge connecting a product to a consumer, and you pocket a percentage for every single successful connection you make. Pretty cool, right? Okay, on to Section 3, product sales and traffic. This is all about how creators start leveraging their own assets. So, we've talked a lot about promoting other people's stuff through sponsorships and affiliate links. But what if you want to take total control? Well, that brings us to the third method, selling your very own digital products or services. Think along the lines of ebooks, online courses, or maybe consulting services. These are super scalable digital assets born straight out of your own expertise. Actually, scratch being the middleman for some big brand. You're selling directly to the audience you've already built. You own the product, you dictate the price. And the best part, you keep the entire profit margin. And that naturally brings us to the fourth and final pillar, traffic diversion. Here, we're really looking at a comparison, earning directly on Instagram versus taking your audience and sending that traffic off the platform, like to a YouTube channel, maybe a freelance portfolio, or a separate business you run entirely. What this means is you stop treating your Instagram page as the final stop. Instead, it's just the top of your marketing funnel. By redirecting your highly engaged followers off platform, you are opening up totally new revenue streams. You're effectively multiplying your chances to monetize. It's a real game changer. Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 4, the right strategy for success. Consider this a much-needed reality check. So the crucial point is really perfectly captured in this quote from our source. Earning from Instagram does not happen overnight. I really want to hammer this home for a second. If you came into this expecting a get-rich-quick scheme, consider this a hard stop. It's just not reality. Building up those followers, establishing enough trust to get people clicking your affiliate links, actually creating your own digital products, all of that takes a serious upfront investment of your time and energy before you ever see a dime in return. To actually make this work, the source lays out 3 absolutely non-negotiable requirements. Number 1, consistent, good content. You've got to show up regularly with quality stuff if you want anyone to care. Number 2, patience. Like we just talked about, those compounding results, they take time. And number 3, the right strategy. which is exactly what this 4-pillar blueprint is giving you. Combine these 3 things, and honestly, that's your true cost of entry if you want to turn a regular profile into a profitable, thriving business. As we wrap up this explainer, I've got to pass along a very direct call to action straight from the source. Do yourself a favor and save this breakdown right now so you can easily reference these 4 pillars later. And definitely follow along for more structured, no-nonsense insights into finance and online earnings. Keeping this specific strategy in your back pocket is going to make sure you stay focused on the stuff that actually moves the needle. Which leaves us with one really vital question. Are you ready to start your Instagram strategy? We've laid out the massive potential. We've broken down the 4 core pillars: brand promotion, affiliate marketing, digital products, and traffic diversion, and we've grounded the whole shebang in the reality of hard work and patience. The blueprint is literally right here in front of you. Now it is totally up to you to start building. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer, and keep on learning.